ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kumasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission menta.
Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association hakakat kandai teri ujleo arja apsa kala Pynkup Burom ya ki argot kinong pathai kubo na gajala Meghalaya ki balawan ra Burom ya gajala hak jingalang ka blalong Shillong Club Shillong ka Alicia bakor Phanwar ka bedi nong pathai kubo jong ka India Today kala job ya khusnam ENBA Gold Award for Best News Producer bat ka Princess Giri Rashir na galat pathai kubo East Mojo ka bala job ya Ramnath Gionka Award for Excellence in Journalism in Broadcast category. Hakani kesngi la sakhi lang do President jong Mepa ba Mona Shabong u General Secretary ba John Thaba Vice President Rajiv Chowdhury ka editor jong kot khubor Shillong Times kong Patricia Mukhem bat kinong thok khubor ki bedi gid khot jong Shillong Press Club.
Receiving the Ramnath Gionka Award, it was like a dream come true, and I remember when I first seen in our state we had two who had received this award. Late Balam and Kongri Kanti. So I always looked at, because when East Mojo, it's not a very old organization. When I had moved back, joining East Mojo, it gave me the opportunity that I could focus on stories where it hasn't there's more in depth that we can do. So what I just wanted to say was, it's not necessary for us that we have to work to be so loud, or that we have to be linked with national media. I feel for Meghalaya itself, if we worked on in-depth stories and show it, then we get their attention and they know that in Meghalaya this is happening and it needs their attention. It doesn't necessarily mean that we have to go to them and tell them that please give us space. But instead, I think once we try to give more coverage, how Kompat rightly mentioned that there are so many of these illegal mining that is happening, not only coal factories but coal and sand mining, which is a great concern right now. So these issues, and apart from that, if you look at drug menace also, and many other issues that are at hand right now. So I just feel that if all of us from the media, many of us can concentrate on working on in-depth and not just doing so much of regular stories, give more on in-depth, I feel that we'll be able to grab the attention of the national media and understand that it's not only during elections that they'll come pounding to Meghalaya and giving all attention about the general elections or any other issues, but I just feel there are more stories that we need attention from national media. Once again, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I hope this will inspire many of the others to work harder and get more work. Thank you.
I had the dream of becoming a journalist. I wrote a small speech. I dreamt this dream when I was in my early teens. I was studying in St. Mary's, Shillong, my day. And I wanted to work in a national channel with the creme de la creme of this industry. And throughout the years, every journey, every step that I've taken has been towards making sure that I achieved this dream that this little girl had, and to ensure that there's nobody there who could make me believe that I'm lesser or that I'm an outsider. And that because I'm an outsider, you get that feeling a lot, especially when you're in North or in South India. You get the feeling that you're an outsider. But I think it's really important for you to understand that sometimes that is a boost for you, and that should motivate you to do more, bigger and better. And since then, I moved from Shillong to the South, abroad, Bombay, Delhi, all to pursue my dreams. But of course, I would like to add that it would not have been possible without my mom, my mother and my siblings by my side through it all. My only advice for the young generation, or especially for Northeastern women, is to never let anyone make you believe that you cannot achieve what you want to follow your heart and to never stop at anything to get the dreams and the goals that you dreamt when you were a little girl especially. So that's all I want to say. Thank you so much to everyone. It's an honor and a privilege. I hope to meet you again every time I'm in Shillong. Thank you.